Hi everyone, my name is Jason Miller from millarfit.com, and today I'm going to show us how to make healthy granola perfect for vegans looking at gaining extra protein in the diet. So we're going to have lots of healthy beneficial ingredients, so we're going to try and make enough batch that will last us a week. So we're going to use, say, a cup of dried cranberries, a cup of oatmeal, half a cup of chia seeds, 1 cup of dried almonds, 1 cup of cashew nuts, and also we're going to use a cup of dark chocolate. Put everything in a bowl, ready to be processed into a food processor. So put the lid on, turn, and there you have it. Nice batch for the week. Ready to be served up with a cupful. I'd probably have around 6 tablespoons with half a cup of almond milk. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. So if you'd like to work with me, or if you would like more information on myself, you can go to my website, which is www.millarfit.com. So stay fit, have yourself a great day.